Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a spin in the all-new 2025 Kia K5. This sedan has been turning heads with its fresh design and impressive features, and I'm here to put it to the test. Let's buckle up and see what it's first things first. The looks. The K5 has definitely upped its style game for 2025. The tiger nose grille is sharper, the headlights are sleeker, and those sculpted line as a broken bar. Wow, it's aggressive yet sophisticated. A head-turner for sure. Stepping inside, the K5 impresses even further. The cabin is modern and spacious, with high-quality materials that feel great to the touch. The panoramic sunroof adds an airy feel, and the available ambient lighting sets the mood perfectly. Now, let's talk tech. The K5 is packed with features that will make any tech lover drool. We've got a wide touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a fully digital instrument cluster, and a head-up display. Plus, Kia's latest driver assistance features are available, keeping you safe and confident on the road. One cool feature I love is the Kia Connect app. It lets you lock and unlock the car remotely, start the engine, and even check tire pressure all from your phone. It's super convenient and a real game changer. But enough about the bells and whistles. Let's see how this beauty drives. We've got the GT trim here, which boasts a powerful turbocharged engine. And let me tell you, it puts a smile on your face. The acceleration is exhilarating. The handling is crisp, and the ride is smooth and comfortable, whether you're cruising down the highway or carving through corners. The K5 delivers a confident and engaging driving experience. It's definitely more than just a pretty face. So, after spending some quality time with the 2025 Kia K5, I'm truly impressed. It's a well-rounded sedan that offers style, comfort, technology, and performance, all at a competitive price. Whether you're a young professional, a growing family, or just someone who appreciates a good-looking, fun-to-drive car, the K5 is definitely worth considering. If you're interested in learning more about the 2025 Kia K5, be sure to check out the links in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome car reviews. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.